have here a OWC Thunderbay 4 Mini and 4 Samsung SSD 850 Evo drives, 1 TB each. On my plan here with this piece of equipment is to set it all up, RAID 0, see how fast we can get through Thunderbolt. I figure we should be able to do fairly decent speeds with that. The drive itself, it takes 4 2.5-inch hard drives, and it's, judging from the looks of the box and the pictures, pretty small. According to this picture, no bigger than a pencil. It's dual Thunderbolt ports, so we can expand and extend, and supports a 4K display in addition to more Thunderbay drives. So let's open it up and have a look. Inside we've got manual, standard there, hard drive installation, 2 Thunderbolt ports, power input on the back. Looks like it's pretty straightforward really. Hard drive install, quick start guide, so it's hot swappable. Alright, what else have we got here? Looks like it's fairly well packed. It includes a Thunderbolt cable, meter long, if I recall. And it has an included software bundle. OWC branded, not the sturdiest Thunderbolt cable I've seen, but by no means the cheapest and lastest either. Screws, mounting screws, yep. Looks like it's, yep, keys to lock it. There's the power supply. And that's it, the box there. Tiny. Yeah, that's the size of the Stanley knife I used to open the box. Even compared to the transformer. Very well packed, no components there, nothing else in the box. Alright. Wrapped in plastic. Definitely can't complain about the packaging here. More about the size of it. Tiny little piece of equipment. For argument's sake, it's a pen. Okay. Looks very sturdy on the front. A couple of screws on the back. I don't think I need to open that one. And say, we've got our keys here. But that's what it's for. Okay, got my keys out. Let's give it a open up. Yep, locked. There we go. Alright, so it's not a door per se, it's completely removable cover. Sort out. So there are our drive cases. Looks like standard 2.5-inch mount point back there. Yep. Alright, guess it's time to have a play with this. I've got 4 of these Samsung SSD 850 Evo 1TB drives to go in a OWC Thunderbay that I'm putting together. And I'll share what's in it as you open it up. It's a pretty small box. I was kind of surprised at the weight of it. Just got a little piece of plastic there to slice before they'll let us open it. It's the first one of these that I've had. We'll continue to utilise. Alright, so we slot it out. And inside that pretty cardboard box we have our SSD in a nice plastic enclosure. On the back we have this envelope with an install guide, warranty statement, one-stop install navigator, manual and software CD. So, there we have it. It's very light, I must admit. I was kind of surprised. I thought there'd be a little bit more weight to it, but yeah, very nice. Okay, I've got all of my Samsung SSDs mounted in their drive trays. So time to see how we go putting them in. The trays themselves, they're fairly basic, just I guess it's kind of aluminium. 4 screws on the sides. They line up pretty clearly. Just make sure that you get it the right way round, so that it lines the drive up with the connectors, the back of the OWC Thunderbay, because the drive can be mounted upside down and the trays will slide in either way. So you just got to make sure that your drive is around the right way, otherwise you'll have some problems. They slide in relatively easy. It does feel a little bit rough. The tracks there are not the smoothest ones I've used, but I mean they're just these little things that hold it in. So it's, I guess it's a fairly simple basic construction, but as a result there's no real click when they're in place either. It's kind of just, they don't go any further, but they are all the way in. Now, I will do all kinds of things, but it's back on. And locks, yep. And that's it. Now, because those drives are so light, there's not much weight in here anyway. Most of the weight is from the device itself. And we're all good to plug it in and see how it goes. Okay, I've got all of my Samsung SSDs mounted in their drive trays. So time to see how we go putting them in. The trays themselves, they're fairly basic, just I guess it's kind of aluminium. 4 screws on the sides. They line up pretty clearly. Just make sure that you get it the right way round, so that it lines the drive up with the connectors, the back of the OWC Thunderbay, because the drive can be mounted upside down and the trays will slide in either way. So you just got to make sure that your drive is around the right way, otherwise you'll have some problems. They slide in relatively easy. It does feel a little bit rough. The tracks there are not the smoothest ones I've used, but I mean they're just these little things that hold it in. So it's, I guess it's a fairly simple basic construction, but as a result there's no real click when they're in place either. It's kind of just, they don't go any further, but they are all the way in. Now, I will do all kinds of things, but it's back on. And locks, yep. And that's it. Now, because those drives are so light, there's not much weight in here anyway. Most of the weight is from the device itself. And we're all good to plug it in and see how it goes. Power's connected and she's on. Now I've just got one little indicator light for power there. The other 4 are for each drive. I guess they'll be activity lights. Now one thing to note is there is no power switch anywhere. So as long as the power cable is plugged in, it is on. I'll be interested to see if it has any power saving capabilities. I mean, with the SSD drives in it, it should be fairly light on anyway. But I guess we'll see how it goes. So that is it. The OWC Thunderbay Mini. It's not much bigger than the picture on the box. Very small. It'll fit very nicely. I'm looking forward to seeing how it performs.